Alright everyone, today we're gonna show you how to make one of our own creations, the Parmesan Crepe. We start with 300 grams of wheat flour for the crepe dough. We stir half a liter of milk into our wheat flour. Always use a whisk while doing that. If your dough goes lumpy, you can press it to a fine sieve. Now we add 3 eggs to our dough. Also steal them. After that, we add 4 good tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. We also spice the dough with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now we cut some cheese. Cut them into small rings and add these to your dough. For the next step, we melt a piece of butter in a frying pan. We roast a small handful of pine nuts for the butter for 2 or 3 minutes until they get a slightly darker color. Put them aside, we will use them later. Now we melt a second piece of butter in a pan. We heat the pan and add 1 ladleful of our dough to it. Fry it for at least 1 minute and then try to turn the crepe. Use a big wooden spoon or a similar tool if you have problems with that. Fry the other side also for 1 to 3 minutes and then give it on a plate. Repeat this process until all your dough is empty. If you have several crepes now, we begin with the filling. For this, we need our pine nuts, some dried tomatoes, rocket salad and some cream cheese. First, wash your rocket salad carefully. Then, you take some of the leaves. Hold them between stem and leaf and then remove the stems as we show you. Now, put the rocket salad on one of your crepes. Distribute it as we show you. Then, you slice 2 to 3 pieces of dried tomato and add the slices to your rocket salad. Now we add some small chunks of cream cheese to our salad. Make it in a thin line. The last step is to sprinkle some pine nuts over it and roll in the crepe in very tightly. Your delicious Parmesan crepe with salad filling is now ready. If you want to present it very nicely as we did, cut off the endings and make a slant cut in the middle. Then you can put it on a plate like this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. It really helps us when you do that. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day. Over and out.